In this short video you will learn about the GamerGains service, about Gamer Token and how you can earn money by playing CSGO and other games. GamerGains was created as a platform that allows gamers to earn money by completing tasks in games. Now the project has such partners as FTX, BlockFi and many others, where GamerGains raised almost $6 million in the seed round. The token of this project is Gamer. It has not yet been sold anywhere, has not passed the IDO and therefore it is not yet in circulation. At the moment, in order to receive the Gamer token, we must enter the beta testing of the project. To do this, enter your email at the link in the description and wait for the invite code. There are many applicants and places may be limited, the code will be sent for a long time. After registration, we fill out our profile and on the main page we select the games through which we want to farm the token. There are many games here and each has a list of tasks. Now this list is not very large, but in the future it will be replenished. For example, the task is to play CSGO for 1 hour. All we need to do is start the task and start the game. Now it is not necessary to launch the game manually and you can do this without even downloading, for example through SamPicker or ASF. This works with any game. For each similar completed task we will receive 10 tokens. You cannot perform several tasks at the same time and we will be notified by such an error. First we complete one task, then we check it, we get tokens for balance and move on to the next one. Thus, by completing simple tasks, we begin to farm our balance of Gamer tokens. In the future, when the initial sale of Gamer will take place and the first buyers will receive their tokens, we will already have the tokens of this project and we will be able to dispose of them as we want. To fix profits, it would be best to sell them, but here it is up to each of you. We follow the development of the project, earn tokens and believe in profit. Thank you all for watching and see you in new videos.